And right now it's like 8 a.m. 9. I'm on my way to the airport now for my flight. Going to Austin this time for work, for training. And I've also never been to Texas, so got some things I want to see, some things to do.
Seul chez toi, tu restes là, tu n'oses pas. Même à ton meilleur pote, qu'est-ce qu'il dira? Dans ton petit village, tout le monde se connaît, Faut pas foutre la honte à ta famille modèle. Oh là là, la vie c'est des ennuis, ça on te l'a trop dit. Oh là là, toi tu n'y crois même pas.
Alright, I'm with Tejas. And we're at UT. And this place is hella pretty. And a bunch of people doing grad photos. Making me a little nostalgic. Alright, so I'm in the hotel now. I checked in early morning. Gonna go into the office, meet up with some people on my team, and go grind.
Et fais une pause, t'as quelque chose de plus que ces gens-là. Oh, t'as le droit de prendre.
Alright, now it's like sunset, and I'm back in the hotel, just walking around the little area. I'm kind of tired right now too. I don't know if you can tell, but I have an early morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna get an early night's sleep. Before that, I'm gonna go to the gym. So I got out of the workshop a bit early. I'm exploring this area called the Domain. It's like this giant plaza. All the tech companies in Austin are here apparently. Something else, this weather is kind of muggy and it feels exactly like how Hong Kong used to felt in the fall. So it's giving me a bit of deja vu. I'm with Christy. But basically, we're going to the Springs, and we just came from the park. 2 famous landmarks in Austin. And the allergies are really strong, so I can't breathe.
Perfect. He's not making it bad.
Qu'est-ce qu'il dira? Dans ton petit village, tout le monde se connaît, Faut pas foutre la honte à ta famille modèle. Oh là là, la vie c'est des ennuis, ça on te l'a trop dit. Oh là là, toi tu n'y crois même pas, ta vie tu la vois comme ça. En multicolore, de plus en plus fort.
The skyline is really pretty. So I'll say it. Yeah, we're on the Bat Bridge, so it smells like poop. But we're waiting for them to all come out around dusk.
Les gens parlent autour de toi, ça ne t'atteint pas. Tout est normal, t'es amoureux, tu ne choisis pas. Et fais une pause, t'as quelque chose de plus que ces gens-là. Oh, t'as le droit de prendre qui tu veux dans tes bras. Oh là là, la vie c'est des ennuis, ça on te l'a trop dit. Oh là là.
Wednesday morning, gotta get ready and go to the workshop. Something about Austin is the allergies here are brutal. So now I'm at this restaurant called The Culinary Dropout. It's in the Domain, and it's the, I guess, most reviewed one I found on Yelp. So I kind of just walked in. It's like American food, but it's kind of cool vibe. Because of that run earlier, and just like not eating that much, my stomach's so empty, and this one little beer already has me kind of tipsy. Yeah, this just goes to show how hungry I am. I'll do a little recap of my time in Austin so far. It's a lot of work. Obviously, it's a work trip. I saw most of the city, I think, between yesterday and also on Sunday. So I have some friends here that took me around. Overall, I don't think it's a city for me. Alright, final day of Austin. Final full day. I'm actually pretty energized because I slept like 9 hours. Overall, good trip, I suppose. Very relaxing. Not a traditional work trip for sure, and not a traditional vacation. I forgot to record, but yeah, the workshop's over, but there's a happy hour going on right now, so I'm gonna go to that. Final day, well packed, and on the ride, gotta head out. Just a pretty good reset, pause from all the chaos in the city. Also glad to escape the allergies.